In this video, we'll be showing you how to add event organisers for Qflow. To use Qflow for scanning at your events, you either need to be on the premium plan or have purchased Qflow. Please see the links in the description below for further information. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Then from the main navigation, browse to Admin, Events, and then select either the name of the event or Edit from the Manage menu. Then select an organiser from the drop-down list. Event organisers must be registered on your site before they can be made an event organiser. You can select up to 8 event organisers by clicking on the Add More option. Then click on the Update Event button. You can resync the event by browsing to Reports, Tickets, and selecting the correct event from the event drop-down list. Then select Sync to Qflow from the Manage menu. And that's it. You now know how to add event organisers for Qflow. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.